first, we come over here and we acknowledge the puppy dog. Come down here, and we pet the puppy dog. See, the tail is wagging. Look at the tail wagging. Is that my puppy dog? That's my puppy dog. And then we go into Project Land. Okay, Lego fanatics, we are back. We are going to open bag number 4. This is exciting because this is the last bag of this set for this submarine. So I'm excited to see how this finishes, and then on to the next build, right? So, you know, you just kind of keep going on these builds. It makes it awesome and wonderful. I really get excited about, crumple this up, put it over here. I really get excited about some of these builds only because, like I said, I don't know what the capability of Lego is sometimes to build stuff like this, but you know, sometimes you just kind of go, oh wow, look at that. All right, so we are going to build this character. I'm gonna get this guy and his head. And we're gonna have another minifigure for you, so you should get excited about that. Okay, so what I need to do is I'm gonna put this down. I'm gonna pick this up. And this is his tail and his feet. And then I'm gonna put this together like that, and we have a minifigure. Look at that. That is amazing. Oh my gosh, with the tattoos and everything on his body and all that. All right, we'll put him over here next to Spider, so you can look at it and turn the page. Oh yeah, I gotta show you these. The instructions are incredible. Like, they've got like pages of the submarine we're building and how that works. It's pretty cool. So concept art, if you will. Let's get to building this reef. What do you think? All right, so I'm gonna pick this up. I'm gonna get these slanted block here. Put that together, make it pop from my hands. Okay, and then there's another Lego. And another one, slanted block. And I have 1, 2 white blocks. Okay. And another slanted tall block. That's going to go right here, like that. And then I need green. Green studs right here, just like that. Okay. And 3 of these. I need this 2x3. Oop. Okay, so I need one like this. One of these tan things like, oop, nope, like that. And then a third one just like this. Okay, so you see that, how that works? Oop, nope, that's not how that goes. Okay, so slants just like that. Alrighty, we're just gonna keep going with this one. Let's see how far I can get. So I need one of these. One of the gray, dark gray. Okay, there it is. And one of these. So this looks like it's going to go there. I'm going to take this one block and put it here. Then we're going to take this and put it like that. And there you go. And I'm going to take another one of these slanted green blocks there. And one of these green studs. Okay, and then I need another one of these green slats. Another one of these green studs. And so then that's where you're going to put items, if you will. So I'm going to show you that in a minute. Let me get one of these. I'm going to put this, oop, I'm jumping ahead. One of these and one of these. So I got one of these. Love that snapping sound. Another one, like that. Okay. Put that one there, like that. And then I need two of these green bananas. That's what I call these things, bananas. I'm gonna put two of them right here, just like that. And like I said, they detail that they put in this. I know a lot of people say that Lego doesn't put a lot of detail in their builds, but I think they do. You just have to look for it. Okay, so I need three of these puppies. I'm gonna put one right there. One like that. And another one like that. Okay, and then I need this guy at the top. Yep, just like that. We're gonna keep going. See how far we can get on this video. Okay, now I need one of these little green. Like that. And then I need this little green guy. Right there. Snap those together, like I said. And this goes here. And this one goes there. And then this. I'll take this and put that there. I'm going to put this down here for a second because I've got to put this and this little clear piece together at an angle, kind of like that. Okay, so there's a clear piece that goes inside there. Put it at an angle, and then this piece goes right here like that. So that's how that's gonna look. It's just like that. And then I need a shorter one of these green deals, and I'm gonna put it right here. And I'm gonna put one of these red studs. Okay, so this is gonna be a pink flower. Like I said, I can drop things all the time, but there's a pink flower there. And then I need that one. And then a shorter one that goes there. And like I said, we just keep building all the way up. So this eventually will have a lot of detail on it. It's just going to take a little hot minute. So I will see you in the next video.